What routine do successful people avoid? Don't waste time on toxic people. They do not hang out with pessimists, gossipers, or narrow-minded debaters. Communication with such is not productive and often leads to moral decline. Focus not on differences, but on similarities. To avoid arrogance, they compare themselves with others through a positive prism. Pay attention to what is similar, and not what is different from others. They don't talk about problems. They know that problems cannot be avoided, so they solve them, and do not discuss them. Actions are more valuable than words. And besides, why talk about problems if the interlocutor does not help solve them? Grateful for what they have. A successful, healthy person does not seek to prove to everyone how cool he is. He always remembers where and with what he started. He appreciates and thanks fate for what he has. Perseverance and conscientiousness. They don't succumb to lack of time. If you do not have time to finish something during the day, a successful person does not go to bed. He brings what he started to the end, because he is aware of the risk of a snowball of obligations. Don't stay in your comfort zone. If he is the smartest in the team, he is looking for another place for himself, where he will be the dumbest to study. Challenge his own ignorance and fears. Constantly growing. Controls himself. Does not make promises and does not seek to say as many words as possible to others. He controls his obligations, and even more so speech. This allows him to remain confident in himself and inspire confidence in others. Lack of passivity. He knows that the longer he vegetates in apathy, the less likely he is to return to a productive course. It works effectively and does not allow itself to burn out. Chooses a path. Your own path, without pursuing other people's ideals and dreams. He decides his own destiny and does not imitate anyone. Everyone else is already taken. Subscribe to the channel.